I'm cutting Jeff's hair. I'm so happy about this. I've never touched your hair, so I want to feel very, very soft, man. Very soft. Yeah, I've cut the. People have seen the mannequin. I've sent him the mannequin. He goes and slices the ear off of the man. I was very hurt by that, Jeff.
I didn't mean for you to see that video. I did really appreciate the mannequin, and that's how we met. I commented on your video, and you left a heart on it. Look at that. We met through.
Yeah, we met through. Yeah, every time I would post a video of his haircut, which a lot of people wanted to see your haircut, so I would try, Jeff, to recreate your hair.
Yeah.
And on these mannequins, and every time I would do a video, you were so nice to comment on it, and and here we are in person. Everyone has seen Julia before, and everybody loves Julia. They love Julia more than me. And even Jeff. They're going to see Jeff in this video. They'll be like, you're turning on me over Jeff just because he's handsome? Just because he has nicer hair than me?
Okay. She's not going to cut my hair. You're still here to do your job, but I think it's important to establish some character development because you can't let everything ride on you. That's why I have Nerf in every episode. What did you look like with hair? Can you put a picture up here?
I look like a friggin'. I was the E-Boy, the creator of E-Boy.
I got a feeling you were
I want everyone to know that Julia there's 3 guys in the room right now. She can beat us all up. She knows MMA.
Okay. Yeah,
maybe not Jeff.
Speak for yourself. We can spar after.
Yeah, you're going to spar.
Spar upstairs?
Yeah.
Jeff's a pretty strong
I was
dude.
hoping she'd say no.
Second eye.
This is a lose-lose situation for me.
Let's go.
And fight.
Okay.
Oh, Julia. Yeah, look
Thank you.
at that. Beautiful.
Great job.
One time.
Yeah, maybe I was wearing like an actual.
I would have liked to win so I could call out some YouTubers, but unfortunately I lost. So, I don't know. Maybe JoJo Siwa. You're a little smaller than her, so you know what? Fuck it. Let's see what you got.
JoJo Siwa, I'm calling you out. Let's go.
No, I called
you
out
and your girlfriend.
You won. You got to call out somebody tougher than me, bigger.
Can I go for a girlfriend?
I think you got to go straight to Logan Paul.
Jake Paul.
Yeah.
That's what I want. No offense, Logan, but I want to go to Miami. Not
So I'm going to break down what I did on Jeff's awesome hair. So what I did right through here, keep the chair right there, I used a number 1 guard and just kind of went with what he usually gets, but I faded this up nicely into this. We did leave some disconnection throughout the back. We are still rocking that like kind of mullet look, which is a very trendy haircut. Did the same thing on the other side, but what I do want to point out is that...
I hope you did the same thing on the other side.
Actually, no, I didn't.
You give me one half of a haircut on one side and a different one on the other one?
They call me Uneven Steven. You know what I mean? That's my nickname.
That's a good one.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that is really
I'm
good
known
one,
for that, Uneven Steven.
I'm going to steal that one.
But today I had to be a little even because Jeff is big time, so we had to make sure I do a good haircut. So what I did want to focus on was creating some more balance into here because his hair was a bit unbalanced before with the layers. So as you can see now, when I run my fingers through it, everything has a really nice flow, and it works much better into the texture of the shape back in through here. So I created layers on everything. Let's turn so we can get the nice back view. We still have the length in through here, and the layers are flowing. He's got that awesome kind of California flow, right? Is that the Cali flow, man?
You're doing your thing right now. I got no notes. You're killing it.
That's right. So in here, even on this side, you can see I brushed my fingers through it like that.
And if you look closely, it looks like there's a receding hairline here, but that is from a scar. I lost a chunk in the accident.
Really?
My hair is not receding.
Wow.
It may look like that. I'm sure that's what you thought, right? You're like, oh,
it looks very natural.
One of this guy's side's hairs, it looks like it's receding, but in this one, no, it's all still there. You know?
Wow, very interesting.
I had that taken from me in my accident. But you know what? It's okay because it'll give me something to talk about. It's a conversation starter.
Yeah.
I could see somebody in the supermarket and come up to them and you see this? I saw you looking at me.
Like a total stranger.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not going bald.
That's a good talking
And then I'll just scream at them and run away and run down like the freezer aisle or something.
If I try to, do you think that would work for me if I went up to somebody and said, I'm not going bald?
That's what I'm saying.
It could work. Yeah. That just could be a thing. I can finally, I can accept it.
It's a conversation starter. So that's what I mean. It's all mindset, you know?
So yeah, same thing here. I got the layers locked in, really nice flow to it. So when he runs his fingers through it now, it's just going to, look at it, it's just kind of, it's a seamless transition from here into here, but still disconnection right through here. So then when I styled it, I used my Tidal Wave sea salt spray. I wanted a little bit of volume in through here, a little bit of texture, and then I used my new crafted sea salt paste, which is really great for getting a little bit of volume.
Okay, enough dropping product names here. Old Spice is going to snip my nuts off.
Do you see this?
They're going to cut my nuts off if they find out I'm using other products.
Listen, like the Dyson,
you could say whatever
Old
you
Spice.
want.
Come to
Let
me.
me
Drop
go in
him.
the other room.
No.
Now, you ready? This is
This is the actual live grand revealing.
Oh, wow.
Look at that flow, man.
I would like a little more volume, but that's not on you. That's on my hair right now and my lack of product in it. But the haircut...
There's a lot of volume, dude. Look at this.
The haircut is perfect.
Look at all that volume, bro. Look at
the
it.
actual haircut is perfect, yeah. Yeah, see that? I like to keep it like, I could look straight and it looks like I have a normal haircut, and then I turn to the side and you're like, all right, this guy doesn't care that much.
I had a blast cutting Jeff's hair. Thank you for letting me do this, man.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the free haircut. I had a blast. It was great talking to you guys. It was nice coming. I haven't even filmed a barbershop. I feel like I filmed a barbershop episode, but I didn't have to do any work.
This was awesome, dude. I am sending you a bill for this. It's not free. But anyway, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, honestly, I think Jeff is awesome. I look up to Jeff. I think he's got really, really great talent, man. You're so entertaining, and you're pretty good at cutting hair. I think you're really good at cutting hair, man.
Thank you. I look up to you as well. I genuinely do. I mean that. I know I have a sarcastic tone when I talk, but I mean your videos are educational and they're dope, and I wish I could be educational, but I'm just too dumb and I have brain damage, so I make everything into a joke. But yeah, what this guy does here is good if you're trying to learn about how to actually do your hair. I'll be sending you some stuff soon, some merch and some secrets, some top secret stuff.
I appreciate that, man.
I'll be mailing it to you soon. I got your address. I already got it, so don't worry about sending it over. Yeah, don't worry about it.